What's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix you cannot send message for 3 days on Instagram. Something you sent in our chat went against Augment community guidelines strike. You have want to break Instagram community guidelines strike, then Instagram give up this pop-up. So how can fix this pop-up? So watch this video like started this video. Firstly go back home screen and again enter into the Instagram app. Here you see enter into the Instagram app, click on profile icon, and here you see right up below three lines. So just enter into the three lines and click second setting and privacy. Here scroll down and click on help. After then click on help, here you see first option report a problem. So just enter into the report a problem and again click report a problem and click on don't include and continue. And here you see verify, explain what happened or what is not working. So explain this, you have facing this error, you cannot send message for 3 days. I have not violated any community guidelines, right? So please fix this problem. So wait and watch and don't skip and don't forget subscribe my channel. So watch. Hello Instagram team, I have read all your terms and conditions. I have not violated. Have not. I am facing this error. I am facing this error. You cannot send message for 3 days. Please fix this problem. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. So explain this problem. Hello Instagram team, I have read all your terms and condition. I have not violated any community guidelines. I am facing this error. You cannot send message for 3 days. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. After then tap on send. Your request has been submitted within 48 hours. Your problem has been fixed. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have facing any problem, so tell me in comments. I have solved your problems 100%. So thanks for watching for my video.